What's up, guys? We're going to be going over this trade that I took today on NQ. It was a little 1-to-1 down to this 15-minute unfilled fair value gap. So let's just get into the logic of it. Yeah, let's see. So market or today, let's see. Identified these unfilled gaps. Of course, we were like up here at this point, like somewhere around here at market open, right? Identified this unfilled 15 and this unfilled 15 in 1 hour. It was originally like in the 1 hour gap. Here, let me show you real quick. It was this was the 1 hour gap, but I scaled into the 15 because it would probably be more precise. That's what I usually like to do. So we identified that there was a SMT here, as you can see. Yeah, 4 hour, 4 hour. Okay, cool. So yeah, there was a bearish SMT in play on the 4 hour time frame. So that was pretty good confluence for us to go down. So yeah, bearish SMT. We had these unfilled gaps lower, and I was expecting us to. And also we were kind of rejecting this order block. We never actually broke that with a close. So a lot of confluences to go down. Yeah, let's just go into market open, and I'll show you the trades that I thought about taking, and we'll just go from there. So market opens, we kind of have this little consolidation, right? Around market open, we come up, sweep all of this. I don't have a drawing tool, but like we basically just sweep all this liquidity right here. And we start coming down, right? So I really thought about taking this inversion right here. I'll tell you why I didn't take it though. So the trade would have looked something like, let's see. The trade would have looked something like that. Just a cool, quick 1-to-1 would have hit very easily. Reason I didn't take it, we made equal highs here, and I'm glad that I have this equal highs and lows indicator on because I probably wouldn't have noticed. But we made equal highs, and we didn't sweep this here, so I honestly just didn't want to take it. We also made equal highs on ES, I believe. Maybe not. Maybe we did. Maybe we didn't. I don't know. No SMT, no small SMT there though. But yeah, equal highs there. It would have been a nice trade. But I don't really like taking market open, and also the equal highs. Of course, we would have gotten. If I took this, we would have been break even about right. I mean, that would likely be my break even point right there. Nonetheless, we had a trade right after, so it doesn't really matter. So I saw this kind of AMD setup. We consolidated, came up, manipulated, and now distribute down. So I saw this fair value gap, right? We came down here, tapped into this 15-minute, rejected, came back up to this 1 minute to rebalance, right? I believe we hit 50% as well. I always do that wrong. Yeah, so 50% as well. We reject this fair value gap, this 1 minute fair value gap twice. All right. On that second rejection, yeah, so this was one rejection, two rejection. On that second rejection, we formed this little 1 minute fair value gap, right? So I was waiting for an inversion, and once we got that inversion, I would enter. The order flow was already bearish, so I didn't need to change the state of delivery. So we entered off this. My paper trading was low-key tripping. I don't know what it is with the trading view stuff. I'm not really used to it. But I was supposed to enter here. I clicked enter when this candle closed. Somehow I got an entry down here. I don't really know. I mean, it's still a 1-to-1. It doesn't matter too much. But if I actually got the correct entry, it would have been a little higher RR. Nonetheless, we entered here, and I didn't wait for a retest. I mean, I could have set a limit here, and we would have gotten like crazy RR, like 1 to 2, right? But I'll just take the low-hanging fruit, right? We got this entry. Should have been here, but whatever. And I had no break even. We just immediately went down to this unfilled gap, tapped it perfectly, and that was that for the day. It was a good day. I could probably see here. So 453. So we made 453. So yeah, it was a really good trading day for me. Then price action started to go to crap, like literally right after my trade. So I'm glad I got that trade. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm starting to feel a lot more confident with my trading. Ever since I started targeting these unfilled gaps, I feel like trading has been a lot clearer and a lot less stressful because I kind of just know, like, if we're right here, dude, we're gonna tap into this unfilled gap. Like, it's there's no reason we shouldn't, right? And we obviously had draws lower, like this sort of low resistance liquidity, right? So like that's also a draw on liquidity. So it's just kind of like, you know, double confluence for a target. But yeah, starting to feel a lot more confident, and I'm hoping, or honestly, like I really think that I'm gonna pass my combine when I go back into it. So it's just a matter of taking it slow. Really solid trade. Happy about it, but can't get too excited because we just got to be emotionless with our trading. If we start valuing the wins and valuing the losses too much, we're just going to dig ourselves in a hole. So this is just what we got to do every day. Not be too happy about it, but acknowledge that our strategy is working and build up that confidence. So yeah, that'll be it for this video. Just got a weird notification. Actually, let me go on my phone. I have a short video of this trade. One second. So I don't know if you guys can see this. You may not be able to see this very well. I can't see the camera right now, but as you can see, I can just skip to when we hit TP. My OBS was tripping this morning, but I think we should be hitting TP any second now. Yeah, I think we hit it. So, I mean, I can't really see on my bad, guys. Yeah, so right here, hit TP. So just showing you guys that I actually did enter into that trade. I'm not just, you know, BSing or whatever. But that's basically it for this video. I'll be having a video coming out tomorrow, trade recap, whether we take a trade or not. And Wednesday I won't because I got school, and then Thursday, Friday we should. So not really sure when the government's going to open back up, but hopefully soon because this price action after this was ridiculous. Just a bunch of ranging. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.